I'm a pervert. What's it? How's that?
Look at the head now. They're trying to like this. Oh.
He's up to this. Wow.
I never seen him go that far that fast.
Mold that thing. Don't stop now. You're almost there.
It's like a video.
Great, thanks. This is all on my bed. At least he's cuddling afterwards.
It's your
Never.
Don't forget to try to see close. Blood on it. Dude, his knees all the way out. You see it?
I don't even know what I
All the way
saw.
out. All the way.
I don't want to see it.
It's huge.
Yeah, I bet.
It's like half his size.
Oh God. Get it off my freaking bed. Get it off my bed, please. I have to sleep on this. Please, 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 please get off my bed. For God's sake, get off my bed. Oh, okay, I have to change the sheets. Oh, yeah, that is disgusting.
All the way out.
Please, please. At least move the pillows. Oh, no. Oh, that's gross.
You know, I'll take this from you.
Oh, great. Like Discovery Channel.
I know.
Only a little funnier. Thanks.
I still want more. I'm still so horny.
Prey. Predator. Prey. Predator. Come on, do something before the battery dies.
I had such a tired day. Why is it wet?
What?
Oh.
Need some privacy.
It's like, I know, it's a sweet spot. Maybe that throw it to the top of the stairs.
Oh no.
What was that?
They need their alone time. It's round 2. Jump.
Do it. Keep slipping.
Oh, he wants a comfortable bed.
Yeah, I'll put them up there for you. I'll put them up there for you. There you go.
Oh God.
Oh, here we go.
What's wrong with us? We're sick.
Yeah, show them that old face. Show that old face.
Like when it was. It's dead. It's already dead.
Why don't you end the video and start